Some days you're the beamer, some days you're the goddamn deer.
Some yuppie creamed up at the streams.
You run into it or hit a tree while I was giving him head?
How the hell you want me to get it out of there? Come on, Jesus, man.
Just pretend it's carve your own steak night at Sizzler.
I don't eat meat, man.
Figure it out, Grunt. What the hell, Hoppy?
Thanks, kid. Bourbon?
Yeah.
What the hell is that smell? Come on. Smell it too. It's that box. What is it? I don't know.
Jeez. That's mine.
Out of your goddamn mind?
No, I just, I thought it was like a surprise. We could mount it in the club, like on the wall.
It's gotta be stuffed and treated, you idiot.